watching my stories. I see you gauging my lifestyle. I see you watching my movement. This bad bitch bad every day.